Hi folks, hope you're doing all okay. I'm stuck at work on a Saturday morning. I've just finished in fact, so I thought it'd be a good excuse to get the Alfa up on a ramp and have a good look round it. First thing I noticed is the exhaust is hanging a little bit lower than what it should be, and then on closer inspection I found that the actual rubber mount is split, so I do need to get a new one of those. But should be quite a straightforward fix. So that's job number one. Although it passed the MOT tester did say to me afterwards that the handbrake cable on the driver's side rear was sticking a little bit. So I need to investigate that a little bit. I think there's a little bit of crap here. If I see if I can zoom in. Yeah, so there's something going on there, but it seems quite a small section. It goes from the rear caliper along here. If I just go under here, ugh. So it comes back here and joins on to this handbrake section here. So that might be worthwhile to get that done as well. The other thing I've said before is that the under tray is pretty obliterated. It's all broken off here. I think a lot of this was done on that road trip to Wales a couple of years ago. But yeah, it's been held up by cable ties and not much else at this stage. So yeah, but I have found one on eBay for about £40, so I need to get that sorted out. I've also traced the exhaust blow I had to this front flexi here, and you can see it sort of where it's all sooted there. It looks like it has been repaired previously. You can sort of see the weld here and here. So I'm going to hopefully replace that section again if I can. I have been in contact with a company called, I think it's Auto Luso, who are an Alfa Romeo specialist, who have actually got the part in stock. So I need to get that ordered up and then speak to an exhaust specialist to get that sorted out. If they can't do it, then it joins the catalytic converter there. So I'm going to have to end up replacing all this section here, and then it goes up to the exhaust manifold up there. So yeah, really hoping I can just repair that. If not, I may just leave it as it is, because it does sound not too bad. It does sound quite sporty. There was also a little bit of an oil leak around here. I have cleaned it off a minute ago. It looks like it's had the sump resealed on a previous visit at some point before I've had the car, obviously, but it's not leaking from the sump. It is higher up. It almost looks like it may be the rocker cover gasket, which would be not a bad thing, because that should be quite an easy fix again. But yeah, I don't need to top up the oil that much, so it's only a slight leak. But general condition underneath, if you can see, for a car of this age, isn't that bad. Seals again okay, with a little bit here and there, but nothing major, I have to say. Around this side as well, they're looking pretty good. So yeah, all in all, not too bad. I'll keep you updated with said repairs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see more Alfa content. Enjoy the social with Hub Nuts today. Gutted I couldn't make it, but hopefully next time I will. And yeah, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon on Content Cars.